Welcome back to another episode of Punky's World. I picked up this radio flyer for my son, and I noticed that it's oxidated, and I want to change the oxidation. I wanted to get it back to his original shine. It used to be a bright red. Let me show you what's happening with this bike. Now, as you can see, it's just oxidated. It's not as bright as it should be. The seat's nice and bright. Right here, it has a lot of sun damage on it. So we're gonna see if we can bring this back to make it a little bit brighter. And for that, I got my heat gun and patience. Let's get to it. It's looking a hell of a lot better. Let's go to the back side. Oxidation here. Looks so much better. Wow. Looks amazing. Some of this is metal. Overall is an entire improvement. So we have chalkiness around the plastic. So now we need to buff that plastic. I have this Meguiar's Plastic X cleaner stuff. I'm not using my buffer, just my hands. And we're gonna put some love into this bike. As you can see, it's really chalky, not much of a shine. So we're going to put a little bit of this plastic cleaner stuff, polisher on there. Yeah, I used a lot, I know. We're gonna rub it nice and in there. I'm gonna polish it up. The more time you spend, the shinier it's gonna get. I can tell already it's making a huge difference. And we haven't even wiped it yet. Let's do a little wiping on it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Do you see what I'm seeing? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. It's gonna be like a brand new freaking bike. Perfect, let's keep going on it. Pretty cool how you can just heat plastic up and have it melt a little layer off on there and then be able to polish something so it looks nice and clean again, because the sun just eats the crap out of stuff. All right, let's flip it over. Let's see how she looks. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me right now? Wow, that looks nice. I'm actually pretty happy with that. Looks great. Again, I haven't even spent that much time on it. I've been rubbing it for maybe like a minute. The more time you spend, the better. There's that for comparison. Well, because I did that side already. Let's see. Could probably use a dab more. Why not? Get around the corners there. I could probably melt it a little more too as well. But for the purposes of this video, I just want you to get an idea on how to do this, because if you have bikes at your house that your kids have and it just looks like garbage, or if you're trying to sell them and people see like an overly faded bike, they're gonna be like, oh, I don't want it. I'll give you X amount of dollars for it. You're not gonna get your money off of it. But if you spend a little time, make it shine again, it'll be more value. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can see the shimmering in it. You can see the lights above there. Fantastic. Let's do this cup. The cup is very dull. I bet you when we're done with it, or I know when we're done with it, we're gonna have a nice shine to that as well. I'm not a professional detailer or anything like that at all. I'm just a guy. Yeah, see right here, I could melt it a little more. I missed that spot, but whatever, I can always come back to it. The point is that it's gonna already be a big improvement, and it's gonna be amazing looking. Okay, now we need to wipe off our stuff. Wow, look at that. It looks, it's shimmering. There's shine to it. Look at the shine. Beautiful. Absolutely brilliant. Look at that. It's like almost like a new bike. Like I said, you can get more money for this thing now that it's all been buffed and cleaned. A little bit of a plastic restorer on it. I mean, look at it. Complete night and day difference. Start working on the back of this thing. Okay. Oh, it's already getting better. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I haven't even wiped it yet. This is just the stuff on there. So it's just the waxer stuff. All right, let's do a little wiping and see what happens. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we're gonna do the back side here. Just gonna rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in.
Plug it in, plug it in.
Is all this necessary for a kid's bike? No. Am I doing it because I want to make content? Yes. Will it make the bike look nice? And if you were to try to sell it, is this a cool trick? Yeah. Okay, let's do a little wipe action here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that shine. It's great. It's amazing. Super clean. Yeah, it just went up $15 at least. As you can tell, this is a whole new animal now. It's much more shinier, shimmering, super clean, and it only took a little bit of work. And if I never needed to sell it, well, it might have gone up in value a little bit. Now, you don't have to just do this with trikes or whatever. You could do this with whatever kind of plastic vehicles you have for the kids, like big wheels, power wheels, all that stuff. You can make it re-shine again and make it look great. If someone comes and look at something that looks like it's dull, it's been sitting outside forever, you know, they're gonna lowball you, but they see it's like, whoa, I can tell from the picture that's got some shine to it. They know that it's been taken care of, even if it hasn't been taken care of. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Punky's World. I hope you're looking forward to seeing me in the next episode, and I appreciate all the views. Cheers, everybody. I'm gonna go ride this thing. No, I'm kidding. I'll probably break it with my fat ass. Cheers!